Hello from the children of planet Earth.
All three engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0. With liftoff, the final liftoff of Atlantis. Shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue that. Right, the clock is started.
What's up, y'all? Small town, big noise, and I've got a few things to get off my chest. The topic for today is going to be age. Just to give you all a little background of why I picked this topic, I had a guy back last summer, and it's about 4 weeks out from the flex, and I'm pretty deep into prep, so I get pretty deep into prep. My opinions tend to come out unfiltered, ready to tell somebody, just the way I feel, and there's you don't have to coax them very much. Anyway, the guy comes in, and he walks through the door, he's smiling, and he says, "You got something in here for an old man." Okay, first thing, as soon as he says old man, I'm looking at him and I'm like, you're not really that old. But anyway, I didn't say anything, and I was just like, well, what do you mean? And he said, when I was a young man like you, I was in shape, and I was healthy, and I ate good, and I exercised, I did hiking, and and I'm thinking to myself, well, what stopped you from doing all that? I haven't said anything to him as far as what I'm thinking so far, but the only thing I ask him is, well, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you? And he tells me he's 43. Now, 43. Okay. What? Anyway, I point to my trophies over there. I said, "You see them?" He said, "Yeah." I said, "Those are all mine. I'm still kicking ass. And I'm 47. This dude, you could have knocked him over with a freaking Q-tip. You know, I mean, he was just stunned. The point being that you're never too old. That I don't want to hear the age thing. You know, that's just another excuse that you tell yourself why you don't want to put in the work, or why you don't want to stay healthy, or why you don't want to stay on track. That's all it is to me. You know, who determined how old is too old? Who determined this? I mean, is there someplace written in a book somewhere, a rule that I haven't seen that tells you, okay, by the time you reach the age of 50 or 40, you need to stop exercising, you need to stop trying to be healthy, you need to just lay down and get old, and you know, let the years pass you by. No, hell no, there ain't nothing like that. 43 years old is not old. You know, I've seen guys in the gym at 50, 60, 70, even 80-year-olds in there trying to get some kind of exercise in. You know, they've got programs for people up in the age, you know, that maybe have some disabilities or some kind of thing that's hindering them from doing any kind of resistive exercises or you know, lifting weights. You know what I'm talking about. They got the silver sneakers. You know, Andy Harvey, you know, at Harvey's Gym, he's got the silver sneakers program, to where they've got all kinds of classes that the elderly can take to keep them active, and that's what's going to give you life. I mean, I'll be damned if the Grim Reaper's going to come and take me, you know, without a fight. There isn't going to be any way, because I'm always going to be active, always going to stay fit, always going to try to eat healthier. Now, I'm not saying you have to be a bodybuilder, you have to train and eat like a bodybuilder, you have to train like a power lifter. No, all I'm saying is pick your 3 days out of the week, 3 or 4 days out of the week, and go for a nice long walk. You know, go for a bike ride. Get involved in your local gym. You know, Harvey's Gym is one of the best in Columbia, just throwing that out there. Do something, just stay active. Try to keep a reasonably healthy diet. You know, I mean, eat healthier. Don't go out here and spend your money on convenience, you know, as far as eating McDonald's and getting pizza and all that good crap. All the sugary stuff, you know, I mean, try to keep it reasonable. You know, I mean, I'm not saying you can't have balance there, but, you know, try to keep it reasonable to where you're not just eating junk shit every day. And your body's going to thank you for it. I mean, the benefits are there. I mean, there's so many benefits to staying healthy and active throughout life. So, my final thought on this is, if you come in here and you tell me anything about age, you're barking way up the wrong tree. Because, you know, it's just an excuse to me. It's another bullshit excuse you're telling yourself of why you can't do it. You know, everybody can do it. Don't matter what age you are. You can be in your 80s. I've seen guys at bodybuilding shows in their 80s up there getting it done. I mean, it's just simple as that. So, y'all just keep going, keep moving. Have a good one. And I'm going to start making these little segments at the end of each of my, not each of my videos, but maybe once or twice a week. So subscribe, and if you like this, you know, go ahead and comment. Give me some more topics to talk about. I don't care what they are. You know, comment. I know there's going to be some. There's going to be some good feedback, and there's going to be some bad feedback. You know, there's going to be some controversy over the whole issue thing, because it's my opinion on something. You know, and everybody has their own opinion on something. You know, if you have your own opinion on something, or you think something that I've just said is kind of off, put it in the comment section below, and you know, I'll try to respond. Give me some more topics to talk about. You know, but go to my channel, subscribe, and like this if you liked it. If you disliked it, push dislike. You know, I don't really give a shit. But I just want to throw my 2 cents out there and get that off of my chest, because, you know, sometimes you have to voice things, and voicing it to you can kind of bring somebody and maybe motivate the older person to say, hey, yeah, I can do this. You know, it's not too late. I'm not too old. You know, I can't stand hearing that. Oh, you're too old. Bullshit. You ain't too old. Get out there and just get motivated. Get disciplined. Do it. You know, if you do it, you're going to see how much better you feel throughout the rest of your life, and your life it'll add some years to your life. I mean, you can take that to the bank. I mean, unless you've got some pre-existing condition to where you're going to die at a certain time, or whatever it is, exercise and keeping a reasonably healthy diet is only going to help you. You're only going to reap the benefits. You're going to feel so much better. You're going to be so much more flexible. Your joints and stuff will thank you. And that's pretty much enough said about that. So y'all have a good one, and I'll catch you next time.